Good morning, children. Welcome back. Yesterday we have studied about mountains, right? Major landforms on the continent. In that one, we have studied about mountain. Now we are going to start with plateau. Plateau is a large level area of land considerably raised above the adjoining land. Okay, means what? It is a raised land. Like mountain is there. In mountain there are peak, right? Rounded peak or pointed peak. In plateau, it is also raised too much height. Sometimes the height is more than the mountain also, and but at the top it is flat. It is not pointed one, right? It is also called a tableland. That is a plateau, means land raised considerably but flattened at the top. That is called a plateau. Plateaus are made of same forces as mountain. As mountains are being made in the same manner, in the plate movement which is occurring inside the earth or interior of the earth, from that only the plateaus are also formed and are often found adjacent to mountains. Similar, same height, the mountains height are there na? In that manner. There are several types of plateaus. A plateau between two mountains is called an intermontane plateau. Means what? Both the side mountain are there and in between between plateau is there, right? A plateau between two mountains. Both the side mountain is there, in between plateau is there. It is an intermontane plateau, not mountain. It is intermontane plateau. A plateau may be higher than a mountain, as I told. It can be raised at too much height, but at the top it is flat. But its upper surface is always flat, though it may be undulating, right? It cannot be similar, but it will be flattened at the top. Then only it is being called as a plateau. Or else it will be a mountain, right, which is having a peak and raised up to 610 meter, right? Mountain, plateau, plains and islands shape topography of India, right? In India we are having these all things. Not only one thing we are having all kind of varieties of land and climatic conditions, seasons, and all we are having in our country. In some of the countries only one particular thing is there. The whole country is being formed in the particular landforms, right? But we are having all kind of land. See at the top figure number, this one 6.4. It is being given that first number is what? That is Himalayan mountain. Second number is Northern plain. Third, it is Great Indian desert. Fourth one, it is coastal plain, right? And fifth one, it is Peninsula India. Peninsula means what? Three sides covered with water, right? And sixth one, it is island. Okay, so in this manner our whole country is being divided, right? It is shaped with all kind of landforms in our country which is present here. Now, the plateau of Tibet, this one, 6.5, figure number 6.5, see, plateau of Tibet is known as the roof of the world, right? Because it is the highest plateau in the world. How much height it is having? Its height varies between 4,000 to 6,000 meters above sea level. Okay. So 4,000 to 6,000 meter, you can imagine 1 meter means how much, and according to that you can imagine 4,000 to 6,000 meter means how much height it is going to have, which is higher than many mountains ranges of the world. In the world, how many mountains? So many mountains are there, but this plateau is very high as compared to many mountain, this is also highest one. So it is the highest plateau in the world. Plateaus are also classified as young and old, as mountains are being classified which is being still rising, and some places it is already toned out, that is old plateaus. Most plateau like the Deccan Plateau in India are rich in minerals, right? In the plateaus so many minerals are also being found, and so many mining works are also being done. Then these mining works are already being done, so they are going to dig the places and they are going to take out the minerals from that, and minerals are being used in many work, you are knowing also you are knowing that one. Most of Africa is made up of plateau. Okay, the maximum part of Africa is being on the plateau only. Okay, now this is about the plateau. See, as I told, mountains, it is having a peak at the top and it is being raised above 610 meter above the surrounding, right? Plateaus are also the raised land, but flattened at the top. So they are also called, which one? It is also called what? Tableland. Plateaus are also called the tableland. Okay, now we are going to stop now here, and in the next class we are going to study about the plains. Now listen children, this time try to complete your notes. As I am checking the paper, so many mistakes are there. Got it? So it is very much necessary that you are going to prepare the notes. As you get the notes, take it out and write in your copy, so that at last you don't have to suffer a lot for the notes and all. Okay, thank you children.